Welcome to our zoo this morning. This is puppy playtime. And we have 3 litters in the house right now. 2 litters of puppies that are 6 weeks old, and 1 litter of puppies that is 7.5 weeks old. So I will attempt to point everybody out to you so you can figure out who's who. First, the youngest of the 3 litters, one of the ones that's 6 weeks old. This is Liver Pepper Boy. He belongs to Reatta. And here is his very dark liver party sister. And next to her is a chocolate girl. So there are 3 puppies in that litter. The 2 girls are currently tracking to be about 6 pounds, maybe 7 pounds. The boy in that litter is tracking to be closer to about 9 pounds, and he has gone over there to investigate the other pen. And we have such smart puppies, they've used the paper instead of the floor. Floor for their bathroom. I love it. Now, the other litter of 6-week-old puppies is Journey's litter, and there are 6 puppies in that litter. They are the bigger, stockier, heavier built pups because they are actual minis. Now in the corner here are the twins. I call them the twins because they're so similar in size and coat and temperament. In front of us is the red collar, black and silver girl. Hey, precious. I know, that's my feet. Hello, baby. How you doing? Yes, look at you. And over there with Reatta is the purple collar, black and silver girl. And now is the green collar, black and silver boy. Wow, I can't keep you guys in the screen. You're moving too fast. Hey, I know you're interested in what's outside, aren't you? Yes, you are. It's the dog door. Here is the liver tan boy from that litter with the blue collar. And with the orange collar and the very flashy markings is the liver tan girl. And last but not least is the black and silver party boy. So those are the 6 puppies in that litter. I will point them out to you again as we go through the video. And the last puppies in the house, oh, you guys made a mess. Don't be doing that. Now you've got to eat that all up. Last litter in the house is Sofia's litter, and those puppies are 7.5 weeks old, and they are also toy teacup puppies, so even though they are older, they are among the smallest. With the little rainbow collar here on in the middle of that group of 3. That's the tiniest one. She is the black girl. She's tracking to be about 5-6 pounds. Above her, with the blue collar, is the black boy. He is tracking to be about 6 or 7 pounds. And next to him, with the pink collar, is the other black girl. She is tracking to be 7, maybe 8 pounds. Not sure that she'll get as big as 8 pounds, but she might. So those are Sofia's puppies. And now they're doing me a favor and cleaning up some of that food. There's the red collar, black and silver girl again from Journey's litter. The liver pepper boy and the liver party girl from Reatta's litter. Those 2 have not had their haircuts yet, that's why they look kind of fluffy. There is the liver tan girl. And there's the black and silver party boy from Journey's litter. And there's Journey. Hey, baby. Do we have your babies out? Is everybody out and playing? Just wait. You sit. You shake. Shake a paw. Yes, good girl. Shake the other one. We're just going to shake. Hey, baby. How are you? You're a sweetie, aren't you? Yes, you are. There's the black and silver green collar boy and the black and silver red collar girl from Journey's litter. And there is the liver tan girl from Journey's litter. She's found the toys. And these two are trying to figure out, how do we get out that dog door? You haven't learnt that yet, have you? No, you can come in, you just can't go out. This is the purple collar, black and silver girl. Black and silver party boy. And purple girl has pinned. It's okay. Journey, just leave her. Leave her, please. She just got a little scared, that's all. Because somebody bigger was picking on her. And you see how the mamas were right away there, checking to make sure she was okay. Reatta and Journey are terrific mums. They're very good with their puppies. And now she's run to hide in the corner. Hey baby, yes, and your mummy's checking on you. And you guys keep knocking that food dish over. Cut it out. Quit standing on the edge of it. Hey babies. Black and silver boy with the green collar. Black and silver girl with the red collar. There she is, peeking around the corner of the desk. Happy girl. Yeah, these guys have discovered their legs and they are running everywhere, checking everything out. It's so fun. So we have play sessions like this where they get to run around and explore and play and run. We'll probably do this 4 to 5 times a day. Journey, you already fed them. You don't need to feed them again. No, you don't. That's it. You tell them. You tell them. Yeah, she's okay. Don't worry about her, guys. Sofia's puppies, the 3 that are 7.5 weeks old, are easily able to hold their own against Journey's much bigger puppies. Reatta's puppies are only 2 days younger than Journey's litter. But because there's such a huge difference in size, Journey's puppies are more than double the size of Reatta's. Then they're not quite mature enough to tell off Journey's puppies if they get a little bit too rambunctious. There's the little black boy in Sofia's litter. Black and silver boy, black and silver girl with the purple collar in the middle of the screen. And the red collar girl. Everybody's playing with everybody. Are you bossing that boy around? What are you doing? He's going to tell you off. Yep, that's it. You tell him. You tell him, Sebastian. That's it. Good boy. These puppies are all pretty much paper trained. They're not perfect, but they're doing very, very well. They've also been introduced to going outside in the dog door. And they do go outside the dog door. And then I prop it open and they can come in and out as they want to. Dog door leads to a little fenced in area outside where they can go outside and go to the bathroom and come back inside and play. I haven't propped it open for them, so they're very curious about how do we get this door open. So there's the liver pepper boy from Reatta's litter. Black and silver girl, red collar, liver tan boy. Little black boy from Sofia's litter who's just trucking along. Sofia's pups are there, along with the liver party girl from Reatta's litter. Who's got the ball? The red collar girl's got the ball. Had the ball. Hey, babe. And you are just chilling out in the middle of the floor. That's the purple collar black and silver girl. And the liver tan girl is standing in the food and water dish. What are you doing? You're not supposed to be playing in the water dish. It's your sister that usually plays in the water dish. Yes, it is. Silly girl. Oh, somebody's got the ball. And the red collar girl's got the other ball. And she's like, it's mine. I've got it. It's mine. Good girl, Journey. Someone keeps trying to sneak a snack from Mum. That's the liver tan boy. That's Harley. Don't have names for all these puppies yet. As their new owners give me their names, then I start calling the puppies by their name. And somebody's playing with my broom. Yes, my broom. That red collar, black and silver girl's got the ball and she's not letting go of it. There, you like that ball, don't you? Heater just turned on, so she's going, what is that? You lost your ball now. And somebody, look, she went over to the paper to go pee. And then came back out to play. What a good girl. What a good girl. Oh, you're clever. Yes, you are. Such a clever girl. And you, Missy. Hi, baby. And somebody else. Look. Went to the paper to go poo. What a good boy. Oh, they're such smart puppies. Well, that is our morning zoo. We have Sofia's puppies, Journey's puppies, and Reatta's puppies. And they are all doing very well.